Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Iconator, which is an Umbraco package that allows you to select icons from the back office to display in the front end. These icons will be displayed using CSS classes that will kind of link to a font file. The first things first is I need to actually get an icon onto my page. I'm going to use Font Awesome. Let's get started. Download their icons. Just going to download the files. Okay, so we need to get the CSS and the fonts, and I need to go into my installation and just paste these in here. So I've got my CSS files, fontawesome.css, and my fonts all are here. In the CSS file, if I look at it, we can see that it defines a font family called Font Awesome, and then after that it then defines lots of different icons. So if you put the class fast search, it will display the search icon. Let's display this on my page. Let's see, you've already got that set up. Okay, just need to link to the font file. And then display, I need to should be enough. And then we're going to display an icon with the class far, what have we got here? Let's go for that search icon. We then go to my front end. We can see the icon has just been displayed at the top there. If I zoom in, you can see it. Okay. This is alright, but you can't really manage this from Umbraco right now. You could get content editors to type far search, or maybe just search and then it'll put the icon there, but what we really want is the content editor to pick which icon they want. And to do that, I'm going to install Iconator. There's a few ways you can install it, but I'm going to start off with using NuGet. You can go to my project on the GitHub and copy this string if you want, but it's probably easier just to do it through the NuGet package manager. Search for Iconator, and then we can see Umbraco Iconator, and I'm going to install it on my website. So yeah, I've previously installed this, so I'm just, if this would happen to you, but if you click yes to all, it will then put some, it'll put some it'll put the Iconator files inside the app plugins. If we then go to here, we need to set up a new property editor for Umbraco, or data type. So hopefully in here now, yep, we can see there's Iconator. I'm going to call this icon picker. And we need to link to our style sheet. So my browser's remembered what I've typed before, and I've typed this before. So at the moment this is just going to CSS / to fontawesome.css. It's basically the same as it should be here. This ref, it should be the same as that. I also need to have a class name regex, or regular expression, regex, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go for this one. So I mean, we can test this. What is it? Regex. Let's just, you know what, I'm just going to type them in. So var test, and then there's some content inside, and we have to get a regular expression which will, and also they always have before. So that's probably the most painful part of using this plugin, is trying to get the regular expression set up. So hopefully, if I test this here, set up the right flags. See, you don't want to have the slash there. If I had it as slash dot, which gets the entire thing, but then I only really wanted to pick up just the far test bit. So there we go. That's perfect. If I put that in there, you can put an exclusion list. Like if you don't want the content editors to select specific icons, then you can do that. Or you can also set up an icon pattern. And because Font Awesome requires you to have the var bit in front, that's what I'm going to do. And this notation says put the rest of the icon there. There we go. Save it. Let's create a new data type called icon picker. Now I'm going to add to my node. Call it icon. Get my icon picker. Save. Now if we go over here, just pick an icon. Why is it not working? Let's refresh it again. There we go. Okay, I think there's some sort of Firefox caching thing going on there, but now it works. So yeah, now you can select an icon. Let's go for the search one again. There we go. Save and publish. Now this is currently still not getting it from the node yet, so just need to add that. All it does is save a string to the database, and if we get the value of the thing, there we go. Okay, so that's now getting the icon from there. So now I can change it to an no, whatever this thing is, var Google. Okay, it's as simple as that. If you have any problems, then you can submit an issue on GitHub. There's also other ways you can install it if you don't want to use NuGet. You can download the zip file. So if you download this, yes, this one, save it, get the file, and then in your packages you should be able to, this is if you're using Umbraco 7.5, I think, this particular package installation things here. Just got to drag this zip file into there, and yeah, you can accept and then install. I've already installed it through NuGet, so I'm not going to do that. Or you can manually install it. So what you need to do then is download the entire repository. Go to content, and then just copy this to your website's app plugins. So you just copy from this app plugins to your local website's app plugins, and then it'll be installed. And then you just go through the same setup steps again. Okay, I hope you like this plugin. Thanks for watching.